Hey first grade! Today in math we're going to be adding numbers. There are several strategies when adding numbers, but today we're going to work on counting on. By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to add two numbers with a sum less than or equal to 10 by counting on. Okay, so with counting on to add, there are 4 steps that we need to follow. The first step is to read the number sentence. The second step is to count how many cubes are in the largest group and to keep that number in your head. The third step is to count on from the number in your head by touching and labeling the cubes that are left. And the last step is to write the sum. Let's look at some examples. Okay, number 1. So the first step is to read the number sentence. The number sentence is down here. 4 plus 2 equals blank. So the second step is to count how many cubes are in the largest group and to keep that number in your head. This is the largest group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have to keep 4 in my head. The third step is to count on from the number that's in my head and touch and label each cube that is left. So 4 for this group, 5 for this one, and 6 for this one. So that means my number sentence, 4 plus 2, these are my 2, equals 6. Let's try one more before you try some on your own. Number 2, read the number sentence. 5 plus 3 equals blank. 2, count how many cubes are in the largest group and keep it in your head. This is the largest group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep 5 in my head. Now I count on from the number 5 and label the cubes that are left. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, equals 8. Now let's see how you do on a few by yourself. I'll be touching in to help you out. Okay, let's look at some examples together. Number 3. First thing to do is to read the number sentence. 6 plus 1 equals blank. The second thing to do is to count how many cubes are in the largest group and to keep that number in your head. Let's count the largest group together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you keep that number 6 in your brain. The next step is to count on from the number in your head and to label the cube that is left. So 6 is in my brain. So I need to figure out which number comes after 6. 6, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 goes on that last cube. And the last step is to write the sum in the end of the number sentence. So if that last cube was number 7, that means 6 plus 1 equals 7. Let's look at one more. Number 4. So the first step is to read the number sentence. Read it with me. 7 plus 3 equals blank. The second step is to count how many cubes are in the largest group. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, keep that number 7 in your head. The next step is to count on from the number in your head by touching and labeling the cubes that are left. What number was in my head again? That's right, 7. So help me count on from 7. What comes after 7 again? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the next block would be 8. Now what comes after 8? That's right, 9. 1 cube left. What number comes after 9? 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that our cubes are labeled, we have to write the sum in the number sentence. What number do we write in the number sentence? That's right, 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Great job! Thanks for helping me add by counting on. Now it's your turn. On your assignment, it says to complete the iReady Math Practice 1 on pages 3 and 4. Remember, if you have any questions or need any help, reach out to your teacher. Have fun adding!